Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So before I start talking about this interesting scenario which is being flashed looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I just want to quickly aware you about our crypto Anup alts channel and our latest video. Yes guys, if you are holding any of this coin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano or Solana, then you should definitely check this video right now and please share your opinion in the comment section below, because you know SEC is coming after crypto exchanges. So I definitely want you guys to check this video right now. The link to this video, the link to the channel is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. So we have been talking about this scenario since couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months. The price in the past price action, whenever it has found support, a proper support over this 21 weekly exponential moving average, what has followed after that? A very nice rally. Yes guys, whenever the price of Bitcoin has found support above this 21 weekly exponential moving average in a weekly time frame, we have started a very nice impulsive movement. And right now, right, regardless of what's happening in the market, you can see the price of Bitcoin is still above 21 weekly exponential moving average, which is sitting around 25,800 range. And I have been very clear, I have been shouting on top of my lungs that 26,000 is still the most important support regardless of the shakeout what we are witnessing here. I mean, price, as long as it remains above 26,000, we are not going to worry that much. Only after breaking that range, we know the price is actually weakening and also could be heading towards to form another lower low. So that's why guys, right now if you look in our case, the price in a weekly is still above 21 weekly exponential moving average. And in the past price action, when we found out, we had a very similar scenario playing in 2017 2018, which led to a bullish movement in 2019 that brought us around 0.618 0.5 Fibonacci line before showing another corrective movement. In our case, from 2021 2022, this downtrend also lasted 364 days. And now, since we are above this 21 weekly exponential moving average, we could be slowly getting attracted, right? We could be slowly getting attracted towards this 0.618 to 0.5 Fibonacci line. Right? This is our best case scenario before showing an actual weakness like this. Yes guys, just like from this past price action, after these 364 days of downtrend, the next year was a bullish year where we got attracted towards this 0.618 0.5 Fibonacci line before showing corrective movement. And in our case, 2021 2022 was a bearish year which lasted 364 days. And now if this 2023 is going to be a bullish year just like from the past price action, then we are also expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted at least towards this 0.5 0.618, which is going to be around 40,000 before showing another corrective movement. Because we know in a different way, using this different scenario, the price of Bitcoin is also above 30-week exponential moving average. Yes guys, remaining above 30-week exponential moving average is also a very good sign, because you can see this line has always acted as a strong line of support. And yesterday or day before yesterday, when we had the shakeout, the price ended the shakeout after reaching the 25,400 range. And now if this is a retest, right, if this here is a retest from this inverse head and shoulder formation, then we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin after holding the support above this 26,000 could be slowly preparing itself for this new impulsive movement. Not just only the best case scenario, later I'm also going to show you what is going to happen if the most important support around 25,000 gets broken. What in that case? I am going to talk about this later in video, but please do me a favor and destroy that like button if you haven't done it yet. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now if you look at this in a daily time frame using this falling wedge, in a weekly we can see market is still above some of the most important line of support, right? In a daily we got rejected around the upper trend line, which previously also acted as a resistance. I mean, the price of Bitcoin got rejected each and every time while trying to break out from this falling wedge. The falling wedge upper trend line acted as a resistance. And yesterday, when we had this bullish movement, we got rejected one more time. And if you have been following me for a while, you know guys, this falling wedge is indicating once we find proper support over 25-26,000 range, then we could be slowly starting this new impulsive movement regardless of what is unfolding right now, because you can see SEC coming after Coinbase, SEC coming after Binance. The market is still holding this 25,000, 26,000 support line. So that is definitely a very good sign in my opinion. But if we lose that, then we have to look many things differently. But for now, as long as the price remains inside this falling wedge or even above 25-26,000 range, any sort of a shakeout should not be bothering us that much, because this lower trend line from this falling wedge will be acting as another line of support if the price of Bitcoin gets attracted between 25-26,000 price range. And not just only that, even in a 4-hour time frame, you can see very clearly, guys, the price of Bitcoin is still getting rejected around this 27,400 to 28,000 range, because this is one of the most important line of resistance which we have to overcome if the price of Bitcoin wants to continue this trend in this manner, because we know breaking the neckline or 27,400 would result in another formation which is looked as a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, inverse head and shoulder formation here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And once we flip the neckline, which is going to be around 27,400 in the medium short term, then this trend could slowly get attracted towards 28,000, and breaking that will result in an actual impulsive movement here in price action of Bitcoin. So that's why, guys, here in the medium short term, we definitely want the price to find support over 27,000, and for better confirmation 28,000 range. And even if we look at this in a bit different way using this broadening wedge or megaphone pattern type of formation, if we look at this price structure, you can see very clearly, guys, once the price flips the key line of resistance into support, we will be starting an actual impulsive movement, just like as shown here in an example. Because according to this broadening wedge, you can see very clearly, if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term does wants to show some impulsiveness, then we have to slowly, right, we have to slowly break the resistance around 27,400, because by doing that, the price parallelly could be also triggering another bullish continuation towards 28,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. Because I have been very clear, once the price finds proper support over 28,000, that means the price of Bitcoin for the upcoming days might be turning bullish. And also, if we look at the price structure here, right, around this area in a bit different way, I mean, the price formation here, you can see this is a descending broadening wedge which is considered bullish. Yesterday, I was very clear, the upper trendline resistance must be broken if you want to see a continuation towards 28,000, right? Because this is the top of this broadening wedge, descending broadening wedge, and also the retracement where it could be ending after getting attracted towards this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, 26,100 to 26,400. This is exactly where we came. This is exactly where we are holding. So if the price in the medium short term does manages to hold the support, 26,000 support in the medium short term, then we are expecting another continuation here like this for Bitcoin. I mean, price getting attracted towards this falling trend line, 27,000 breakout means we are also going to very likely break out of this 27,400, another resistance, and then also get attracted towards this 28,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. So that's why, guys, please be careful and do not over leverage yourself, because the price is still below the key line of resistance around 28,000, but we are also above one of the most important line of support, which is between 25,000 to 26,000 range. But let me show you what is going to happen if the 25,000, 26,000 support around that range gets broken. So in that case, guys, if the price of Bitcoin fails to hold the support around 25, 26,000 range, if that is going to happen, right, then we are in big trouble. Yes, guys, because according to this bump and run reversal top, you have already heard about bump and run reversal bottom. If you use the invert scale, you can see this is how a bump and run reversal bottom looks like, which is a bullish scenario, just like as shown here in the example. But since this here is an invert scale, if you look at in a normal scale, you can see this could be looked as a bump and run reversal top, not bottom. So that's why if the price in the upcoming days gets attracted towards this 25,000 and even break the support around this range, then we are in big trouble, because according to this bump and run reversal top, the price objective is going to be somewhere around 16,000 to 17,000 range. Yes guys, this here is going to be our price objective if the price of Bitcoin fails to hold 25,000 support line. So this is a bearish scenario. This is definitely one of the most bearish price objective for Bitcoin, which means another 30-35% retracement. Let's avoid that for now because we are still above 25,000, but let's hope the 25,000 support remains, because in a bigger picture we do have some strong line of support lying above that area and also could be holding the price in case of any shakeout. So this were some of the quick update what I wanted to share with you in today's video. So if you are still unaware about our crypto and altcoin channel, the link is in the description down below. Go there and subscribe to it. But if you want to check our new update, the link is also in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. So by saying this, I'm signing out until tomorrow. Bye bye.